Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Descript on Mac step by step. Descript is a powerful audio and video editing app that lets you edit media like a text document, making it perfect for podcasts, videos, and voiceovers. This tutorial works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to descript.com. Once the website loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer menu, click Download. You'll be redirected to the official Descript download page. On this page, the website will automatically detect your operating system and show the Mac version. When prompted, save the file to your Downloads folder. The download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the zip file to extract it. After extraction, you'll see the Descript installer. Double-click the installer. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. Descript will now finish installing and should open automatically once the process is complete. If Descript doesn't open automatically, you can open it manually by going to Finder, then Applications, and double-clicking Descript. When Descript launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions like microphone, camera, or file access. Make sure to allow these so everything works correctly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. You can sign in using your email or Google account, or create a new account if you don't have one yet, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Descript on your Mac. You're now ready to record, edit audio and video, and create content faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.